my name's Brooke with WTI, and I have to show you this Revlon ColorStay Overtime. It's called Everlasting Rum, and it is so pretty. I love using this, especially in the winter time. It's a little darker, but it's on the natural looking side. It really does define my edges of my lips, and I like that color. I really enjoy the fact that it lasts all day long. It makes my life so much more simple, and I don't have to run to the bathroom and find out that my lips have disappeared throughout the day. So having a lipstick that just stays on all day is really nice. I love the fact that it has no scent. I really enjoy lipsticks that don't have any scent to them, and I appreciate this lip gloss as well because it has vitamin E in it, and it moisturizes my lips so that they don't get cracked or peel. And I think that this lipstick's such a pretty color. I like the fact that it just looks natural and it gives me a nice defined lip. So this is a great lipstick if you also want lipstick that makes your life easier and your lips can last all day with that beautiful color that you choose. And that's my point of view.